Hey everybody, it's Peter from LX Homing. So today what we have is called the enclosure inspection. For this inspection in particular, we're going to need door alarms and we're going to need pool alarms. I have the pool alarms already set by the pool, and now I'm going to be doing the door alarms. I want to show you, this is the only brand in City of LA that is approved. It's called the Pool Guard. It's a little box like this. It's called Pool Guard again, and these are made for your doors. I already sampled one and it's on the wall. I want to show you this right here. You can see it's two pieces, basically three pieces. You have the main alarm and you have the two magnets that is on the wall. One side is to the wall, one side is attached to the wall so it's stable, and the other side is attached to the window that's going to be opening. So let me show you how that actually works. Once I open this door, it's going to make a sound within 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to open this door. You can see the two magnets are separated right now. We have one on the door and one on the solid piece, and the alarm goes off. Simple. So that is called a door alarm from Pool Guard. That's for your enclosure inspection safety. I'm going to shut this door down so we don't hear it again. It's going to go off every 5 to 10 seconds. And there is a bypass button on top of it that you can use, and it will bypass it. So let me show you how we're going to do it. Simply open the box. What you're going to need is a small screwdriver, a battery, double-sided tape. Usually you would like to have a knife as well, but that's what we have. So we're going to open the box. A very simple process that I want to show you. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set off my magnets in this one. So the magnets are the first thing that I would like to do. One side of them goes into the alarm and the other side is basically staying on the wall. What I want to do, I'm going to open this, basically get our wires ready. They already come cut, so it's easy for you to use. We'll find out which one goes on the wall. This is the one that's going to go on top of basically the door, the sliding part or whatever that opens. Let me open it up. So these are usually pretty easy to open. All you gotta do like that. What you want to do, you want to open the screws so you can put the wire inside of them. There's two of them, so you open both and you will get the wire going inside. First thing you want to do, I usually do them one by one because it's easier. However, you like to do it your way. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight, because if they're open, they're going to make a lot of noise and not too good, or they may came off in front of the inspector. That's the worst thing that can happen to you. Nice and tight. I'm going to bend them. There's a little channel in here for you to bend these wires so it can nicely be done. And then I'm going to put the door back on top of it, or basically the little piece that goes on top. And as you can see, nicely goes into the channel. It's already done. And I have my other magnet as well. What I like to do to make it fast for me, I usually put the double-sided tape on both of these guys at the same time, so it makes my life a little bit easier. I'm going to cut a little section, put it on top, make sure it's very nice and tight. It's done. So these two are secured together and become one piece. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open the alarm to put the battery in. So the alarm is open. I'm gonna put the battery inside of it. It's again very easy. Make sure again it's nice and tight. Put the cover back on, and that's all you're gonna do. You're gonna close it off. So make sure once you put the battery in, you have to close the screw, and if you put it on the wall, you won't be able to open it again. So it sticks pretty nice and tight. So that's that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install my double-sided tape on it and pretty much be done. I usually get a big piece so that way it can cover the whole thing. It's not gonna fall off. Cut it off. And that's it. So we have our piece that goes on the door, and we have our two little pieces. Simply you can come up and install it on your door. So you might have a door that's opening inside of your house, or you might have a sliding just like this. These are Pool Guard door alarms for your enclosure, City of LA enclosure safety. Stay tuned. I will have some more pictures and videos for you on how to do these Give me a call if you have any questions, you don't know what to do, I'm here to help you. Thank you.